not the noodle kind.
Was it maybe I just
Regular
cut
squid?
differently?
Like sushi kind?
Whoa! Papa Rat, calm down.
What was that just now?
Sorry.
What was that?
Was that like a vending machine or no, not a vending machine. Was that like a
vending
machine? Like
Yeah, this construction. He's doing construction.
oh,
On the grid.
yeah.
キさん、スーパーチャーありがとうございました。いつもありがとう。But I gotta go. I gotta go. And also I gotta check on Papa Rat, make sure he's okay. I don't know. There's a lot of loud sounds that was happening. Am I streaming tomorrow? No, I'm not streaming tomorrow. I'm sorry. I'm construction rat tomorrow. I might do a little. Actually, no. I can't. I'm construction all day tomorrow.